Hi, this is Sandhya. Today I'm going to explain you about Python. What is Python? Why Python? What are the importance of Python? What are the benefits of Python? What are the futures of Python? Okay, now I'm going to introduction of Python. Now you see the introduction to Python. What is Python? Python is a popular programming language. It was created in 1991 by Van Rossum. Okay, yeah. It is used for web development, server side, software development, mathematics system scripting. Web development is nothing but Google website, Paytm website, and OLX website. All these are the websites. Okay, Python is used for this all websites. Okay, now why Python? Python works on different platforms like Windows, Mac, Linux, Raspberry Pi, etc. Python is a simple syntax similar to English language. Okay, Python has a syntax that allows the developers. Okay, it developers to write programs with fewer lines than some other programming languages. Okay, Python runs on interpreter system means the code can be executed as soon as it is written. Means according to C++ and Java, first we will compile and then we will run. According to Python, we will run at a time while we written. Okay, we will run at a time while we written. This means that prototyping will be very quick. Python can be a procedural, object-oriented, and functional way. Means it will starts from basics. So it is a procedural and object-oriented and functional way. And what are the applications we are going to use in Python? Okay, here we have some applications that we have some applications of Python is web applications we have, and scientific and numeric computing and GUI programming. These are the applications. These are the basic applications of Python. What are the basic applications of Python? See here, web applications and scientific and numeric computing and GUI programming are the basic applications, right? Now coming to web applications, we means what is a web applications means we can create the and web apps using frameworks and CMS. What is CMS? Content management system. Means content means we are going to use some content, means some paragraphs writing, okay, that are built on Python, and some popular platforms are used for Python. Some popular platforms are used for creating that web apps is Django, Flax, Pyramid, Clone, Django, CMS. Now scientific and numeric why it is scientific and numeric means there are many numerous libraries are available for Python. Okay, the what are the libraries? There are some libraries are available for scientific and numeric computing. What are the libraries? Skippy and NumPy are the general purpose computing. Okay, and what are the scientific libraries are there? EarthPy, EarthPy for earth science, AstroPy for astronomy, and so on. Now coming to GUI programming. What is GUI stands for? Graphical user interface. Means GUI is a platform and it has some inherent qualities like clean and straightforward coding syntax. Okay, means it is a straightforward and coding syntax. Why? Because we are using a single lines of code. Okay, by using simple syntax and single lines, we are developing complex GUI and image processing applications. Okay, We will see the installation and proce- some other topics in the next video. Okay.